A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So here your teacher Miss Anupama back again. And you know what's today's class? Today is your drawing class. I know you all are excited for this class. So today your teacher has brought something interesting for you. Okay, so today we will learn something interesting. Yes, it's related to craft. Yes, today we will make origami cat. So for this you need origami paper, Fevicol and scissors. So arrange these things and let's start our today's class. Two origami paper. Now we are going to make cat head. First part is we are going to make cat head. Now fold the paper diagonally and press it very nicely. Press it very nicely. Now fold it again. Now fold again. Fold it left corner to right corner and mark the center point. Mark the center point. Now unfold it. Fold the top down where the tip meets the center point. Then fold it over the center crease. Fold it over the center crease. Okay. Now press it very nicely. Take one side toward the center. Down, take one side toward the center and repeat the same with other side. Press it. And repeat the same with other side. And press it very nicely. Now fold the right and left flap upwards to form the cat ears. We have to make cat ears, so fold the right and left flap upwards. Like this. Hold it. Yes. Now fold the top tip downward. Fold it like this and press it. And now turn the face. Here our cat head is almost ready. Now we have to make its nose. Fold the bottom tip upward. Fold the bottom tip, this one, upward, okay? Like this. And press it very nicely. Fold down the nose tip. Fold down the nose tip like this. And here our cat head is ready. Now we will draw some eyes and whiskers. Whiskers, it means मूछें. Draw some eyes. Here we are going to draw 2 eyes and whiskers like this. Now we are going to make its body, cat body, okay? So fold it half diagonally. Now we will fold the both sides toward the center crease like this. Fold both sides toward the center crease. And press it very nicely. Press it very nicely. Now fold the paper in half the center crease and press it very nicely. Now I'm going to make its tail. Okay, so I'll fold it from here like this for its tail. And now fold it again, opposite side. And now take the right tail part and we have to make it like this. Now fold the tail upward like this and fold the tail in half. Fold it very nicely. Now cat body is ready. Now join the cat head to the cat body. Okay. So join it very carefully.